Welcome to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the best products on the market. Today, we're talking about the Jonny cat litter box liners, heavy-duty, tear and leak-resistant, jumbo size. And this one truly stands out as the best cat box liners large. If you're tired of the hassle of cleaning and dealing with messy litter box situations, these liners might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. The Jonny cat litter box liners are designed with both convenience and durability in mind. These heavy-duty liners are made from a tear and leak-resistant material, which means you can rely on them to hold up to the toughest of litter box jobs. Whether you have a single cat or a multi-cat household, these liners can handle the mess. With the jumbo size, they fit most standard large litter boxes, so you don't have to worry about whether they'll be too small or too large for your box. One of the standout features of these liners is the drawstring closure. It's super simple. Once your cat's done, just pull the drawstrings and the liner closes up securely. No more dealing with messy spills, and no more scraping out stuck litter. Just lift the bag, dispose of it with your regular trash, and you're done. This makes cleanup incredibly quick and easy, and it helps maintain a cleaner and more hygienic environment for both you and your cat. Plus, with 15 liners in each pack, you're getting a solid supply that'll last you a long time. These liners are not only practical but also cost-effective, providing great value for your money. And don't forget the extra large size. Whether your cat is a heavy-duty user or just likes to spread out, these liners provide enough space to handle it all. So, if you're looking for the best solution to simplify litter box maintenance, Jonny cat litter box liners are a top choice. They save time, reduce stress, and keep things cleaner than ever before. Thanks for watching this review here at Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more product insights. See you in the next review.